This is how to change the double lip wiper ring on your 55-gallon HG Adhesive Dispensing system. First, we'll start by turning the main air on. Next, using a 9/16 socket, you're going to loosen all of the screws around the clamps at the base. Once all the clamps are loosened, you're going to raise the elevator to a more comfortable height. Next, you're going to remove the clamps and, using a screwdriver, loosen the wiper ring from the follower plate and lift it off. Once the wiper ring is off of the follower plate, squeeze it into an oval and slide it off the bottom. With your new wiper ring, make sure that the sloped edge, the smaller one, is facing down as it goes down into the drum. And in the same motion, bend it into an oval and slide it back over the follower plate. In the same way we took the clamps off, put them back on with your 9/16 socket wrench. And that's how you change the double lip wiper ring on a 55-gallon HG Adhesive Dispensing system.